I'll show you how to set up the BGM. Please click BGM in the left menu to navigate to the page. Please enter keywords that match your video into the search bar, and listen to previews as you find suitable background music, BGM. This music seems to fit, so I'll download this. We will go back to the original video creation page. I'll press the change button in the background music to retrieve the music I just downloaded. After you make a selection and close, it asks if you want to add the music you just selected to your favorites. If you plan to use it again in the future, please press the Yes button, and it will be added to your favorites. If you go back in, you should be able to see that it has been bookmarked.